This shower diverter does not divert 100%. Clapper, flush valve, call it what you will. It's got some problems. It kind of shows off in the black water in the tank. Let's see if it quits eventually. Hot's on the left, cold's on the right. GFCI should be labeled. Back to the water heater. Oh yeah. No carrying use manual. Pressure, temperature, relief valve goes up. Pan doesn't really fit underneath the water heater, so it's supposed to fit. This is a condensation drain line. It's supposed to have a dip loop, and it doesn't. You might want to have a neutralizing filter, and it doesn't. Temperature pressure relief valve has more than 5 bends. And that's a Shark fitting. I don't know if it handles 200 pounds of pressure, to be honest. More than 5 bends terminates too high. Thermostat's on the water heater. E&M cable, closer than 6 feet. I know it's in a closet, but it's not in an attic. Okay, it's in a closet. Not supposed to use this closet for storage, but it should not be exposed. This valve is supposed to be cleaned out every year. People hate doing that. They don't do it on a conventional. Like, you don't test this every year, and you should. But this is like a Porsche. It's not a Ford Fiero. Is that right? But anyway, it's like a Geo, Chevy Geo. It's to get what you paid for. This water heater will last about 5 years. What? You know? Unless you service it, then you get 15 years out of it. No promises, no guarantees. But this is a lot more critical. If you have something exotic like a Ferrari or like a Porsche, then you got to get it tuned up to get the performance that you want, to get the continuous hot water that you want, to keep the longevity like you want, to get what you paid extra. You service it once a year. You service the filter right here. And there's a way to do it. This looks like it's an easier way to do it. Okay? Well, that's a good thing. There's an easier way to do it. You can find out on YouTube. If you don't have those skills, then get a plumber to do it. All this insulation is unnecessary. And the other water heater, this valve is supposed to be insulated, but on a tankless water heater, they're not. It doesn't. There's no storage. There's no water storage. So this piping, when it goes into the attic or other places, yeah, it should be insulated. You know, cold water, not so much. Okay, and it's not going to freeze in here. This hot water piping, that should be insulated. So. And that's the upstairs plumbing.